Hey, it's your still kinda hungover boy Okina. This is part 2 of the controller decoration episode. Let's jump right into it. We're gonna be using Rust-Oleum gloss protective enamel. If you saw the last episode, you saw me go ahead and sand this down, clean it off, and that's where we're at right now. If you did not, go ahead and check that one out so you know what to do. Finished our super glossy base coat. What we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to take it inside for it to dry and then wait a few hours. I brought the controller inside. I know I said I was going to wait a few hours, but I thought right now was a prime opportunity to go and put in some of my designs so the paint's confused while they're drying. I'm going to go ahead and do that and put this on a time lapse. We went ahead and let the paint dry for over a period of 4 days. It is completely hardened now and there is no moisture underneath. It is best when you're using a paint this thick so that it can dry and the epoxy can lay very firm. What we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to go ahead and put the sticker on. The sticker's a little too big for the controller, as you can see here, so I'm going to cut it up into pieces. Just like my ex-girlfriend, but just don't check my backyard. Since we don't got an exact measurement, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to use my test controller here. I'm going to put masking tape over the center piece, cut it out when I mark it, and then peel it off, lay it on top of the sticker, and then cut out a pattern from the sticker so I can get exact measurements for this new controller. I'll go ahead and do that in a time lapse. Stay tuned. We got our template laid out for the controller. We're going to go ahead and cut the middle part. Right here, we're just going to follow all the lines. That means we're not going to be using some of the sticker. That's just fine. When you do it on top of a paper plate, it's a softer surface, makes it a little bit easier. Just like my mom. Let's go ahead and get started with this. It was very difficult, but we got this sticker on nonetheless. I'm gonna go ahead and end the episode here. Go ahead and check out my next episode where we're gonna go ahead and mix up the pigment dust and also the epoxy to go ahead and put on top of the controller so the sticker never comes off. Again, it's your boy Okina, always building. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below with any observations that you've made. Thanks for watching.